If you're seeing the X or Twitter error, SOTS error that says cannot retrieve tweets at this time, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step on your PC. This is a super common issue, and the good news is that in most cases, it's caused by browser data, extensions, VPNs, or even a temporary outage on the itself. So if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. First, the most common fix is to clear your browser's site data for X. Sometimes old cookies or cached files get corrupted and stop tweets from loading properly. To do this, open X in your browser and click the padlock icon to the left of the x.com address in the address bar. From the menu that appears, look for Site Settings or Permissions. Once you're there, find the option to clear site data or clear permissions and click it. After that, refresh the page and sign back into your account. In many cases, that alone is enough to fix the issue. If the error is still there, the next thing you want to do is disable any ad blockers, script blockers, or privacy extensions. Extensions like uBlock Origin, AdBlock, and similar tools can sometimes block the scripts it needs to load your feed. To test this, temporarily turn off those extensions for x.com, then reload the page and see if tweets start appearing again. If they do, you found the problem. You can either keep that extension off for X or add x.com to its allow list. Another thing that can cause this error is a VPN. If you're connected to one, try turning it off and refreshing. Sometimes VPN traffic can trigger rate limits or interfere with how the platform fetches content. After disabling it, wait a few seconds and reload the page. If the feed works again, then the VPN was likely the cause. Now, if you want a very quick way to check whether the issue is your browser or something else, open an incognito or private window. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift and N. On Mac, press Command, Shift and N. Then go to X and log in again. If tweets load normally in incognito, that usually means the issue is tied to your regular browser profile like cache, cookies, or an extension. If it still doesn't work there, the problem may be on X's side. At this point, you should also check whether X is having an outage. Sometimes the error has nothing to do with your browser at all. Go to a site like Downdetector and search for X or Twitter. If you see a spike in reports, that means other users are likely having the same issue. You can also search for recent posts about X outages to confirm whether the platform is down or experiencing back-end problems. You should also keep in mind that X may limit certain accounts temporarily if they've hit a viewing limit or if the service is under heavy load. If none of the local fixes work, give it some time and try again later. A simple refresh after a few minutes can sometimes resolve it once the platform stabilizes. So to recap, the fastest fixes are clear your X site data, disable ad blockers and VPNs, test in incognito mode, and check for outages. In most cases, one of those steps will get your feed loading again. If this tutorial helped you fix the problem, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.